Hey there, welcome to this tutorial. If you have been hearing about Claude AI and want to know how to actually use it, you are in the right place. In the next 10 minutes, I will walk you through everything from signing up to writing your very first conversation. You do not need any tech experience. Let's jump in. An AI assistant made by Anthropic, a company focused on building AI that's safe and helpful. Think of it as a very knowledgeable conversation partner that can help you write, research, code, brainstorm, and much more. Available 24/7 right in your browser or on your phone. Unlike a search engine, Claude doesn't just give you links, it actually reads your question, think about it, and writes a full personalized answer back to you. And it remembers everything you have said within a conversation. So the back and forth feels natural. Creating your account. Getting started is completely free. Head to Claude AI in any browser. Click Get Started for free and sign up with your Google account or email address. You will verify your email, choose a display name, and you are done. The whole sign up takes about 60 seconds. There is a free plan that's great for casual use and a paid pro plan if you need higher message limits and access to the most powerful model. I will mention the difference as we go, but for this tutorial, the free plan is all you need. Interface work. Once you are logged in, you will see the main chat screen. Here is the layout. On the left sidebar, you will find your past conversation. Each one is saved automatically. You can search them, rename them, or delete them anytime. In the center is your chat window. This is where the magic happens. At the bottom is the message bar where you type your prompt. Notice the icon next to the input box. You can attach files, images, or even drag and drop a PDF straight into the chat. The model selector at the top lets you switch between Claude models. If you are on the free plan, you will use Claude Sonnet. Pro users can switch to Claude Opus, which is the most powerful option. Your first conversation. Let's send our very first message. I will click in the box and type something simple. Let's say, explain what photosynthesis is in simple terms, as if I am 10-year-old. Then I will hit enter. See how it responds. Claude gives a clear, friendly explanation. No jargon, just what I asked for. That phrase, as if I'm a 10-year-old, is called a prompt modifier, and it's one of the most powerful tricks you can use. You are telling Claude exactly how you want the information delivered. Now watch this. I am just keep the conversation going. I will type great. Now give me a fun analogy to remember this. And Claude continues from exactly where we left off. No need to repeat yourself. Now let's understand core use cases. Here are some of the most popular ways people use Claude every day. First, writing and editing. Write a professional email, decline a meeting, but in a warm and friendly tone. It will be done in seconds. You can also paste your draft and ask Claude to improve it, shorten it, or adjust the tone. Now the second one is research and summarization. Paste a long article or report into the chat and ask summarize this in 5 bullet points. Claude reads the whole thing and pulls out exactly what matters. Coding help. Suppose let's write a Python function that checks if a number is prime. Claude writes the code, explain how it works, and if it has a bug, just tell it and it will fix it. Fourth one, brainstorming and ideas. Let's say if you want to brainstorm on some of the topic. For example, give me 10 unique content ideas for a travel Instagram page, and this will gives you great for marketers, creator, and anyone who hit a creative block. Next one is answering complex question. So if you want Cloud to answer the complex question, for example, let's say here, what are the pros and cons of intermittent fasting? Claude gives a balanced and structured answer. Though always double check important health or legal advice with a professional. So these are the mostly used core use cases which Claude really answer well. Getting great result from Claude comes down to how you ask. Here are 4 golden rules. So it's very important to know how you wanted your answer. So asking a question to Claude in a very specific way is also important to get what you require. So there are some 4 golden rules which we need to follow. So first is be specific. Write a 200-word product description for wireless earbuds targeting gym goers bids. Write about earbuds. Second, give context. Tell Claude who you are or what the output is for. I am a teacher creating a quiz for 8th grades. Changes everything. Third rule is specify the format. Ask for bullet points, a table, a numbered list, or a specific word count. Fourth, iterate. If the first answer is not perfect, just say, make it shorter or give me a more formal version. Claude improves with feedback. Claude can read documents and look at images. Click the paperclip icon or just drag a file into the chat. I will upload a PDF here and ask what are the 3 most important points in this document. You can upload PDF, Word docs, spreadsheets, image, and more. This is incredibly useful for summarizing reports, reviewing contracts, or even asking Claude to describe what's in a photo. There is another option in Claude which is artifacts. Here, a feature many people miss: artifacts. When Claude creates something substantial like a piece of code, a document, or an HTML page, it sometimes appears in a separate panel on the right side of the screen. This is called an artifact. You can copy it, download it, or keep editing in that chat. Try asking, like, create a simple HTML landing page for a coffee shop. Claude builds it right there, and you can even see a preview. It's like having a mini coding and design tool built in. Project and memory. If you use Claude regularly, projects are a game changer. You can group related conversation together. Say one project for work task, another for your side hustle. You can also add custom instructions so Claude always knows your preferences without you repeating them every time. Claude also has a memory feature. If it's turned on in your settings, Claude can remember things from past chat like your name, your job, or your preferences and use that context automatically. You will find memory setting under your profile icon. Free versus pro. So, quick word on plans. The free tier gives you access to Claude with generous daily limits, perfect for trying things out. Claude Pro, the paid plan, gives you higher message limit priority, access during busy period, access to the most capable Opus model, and early access to new feature. If you start using Claude every day for work, Pro is worth it. For casual use, free is great. And that's it. You now know how to sign up, navigate the interface, write great prompts, upload files, use artifacts, and organize your work with projects. Claude is genuinely one of the most capable AI tools available right now, and the more you use it, the better you will get at prompting. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Drop a comment below telling me what you will use Claude for first. I will see you in the next one.